guys. It's day 3. Got my suit on. We also got Starbucks this morning, and we got an extra coffee because they made it wrong the first time, but they really didn't make it that wrong.
It didn't taste like shit though. It was literally the same thing but without caramel.
I mean, get back on.
Cool birthday. Nice.
Nice.
What the hell?
Here's my OOTD. OOTD. Where's your dress from?
My dress is from PacSun.
Shoes.
Shoes are from TJ Maxx.
My skirt is from Altered State. My shoes are from Birkenstocks, and my shirt is from Brianna's Closet. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so right now we got back from the pool and stuff, and then we laid in bed for a while, and then now we're going to the dinner at the restaurant that's like in the resort. So it's not really a restaurant. Like they have like a menu, but it's like a bar with like a few tables outside. So that's what we're eating.
Okay, bye.
Oh my god, really did. That's awkward. I hate when people look at me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey guys, we're at dinner. Stop. Bailey just spit water at me. So that was so fun and I love it. It was like going on a water slide. I'm literally putting the sugar. No, I'm putting the water out. The sugar. Can you stop putting water out? Yeah, I'm actually gonna pee my pants. Let's go back to the room so I can pee my pants. Oh, we're going back to the room. Bye, guys. Whenever we are in the dark, whenever it's dark out, my camera gets really like bad quality, so just don't worry about it. Dinner was really good. I got mini sliders and fries. Ryan got chicken tenders. Hey guys, so we just went to the arcade and played some games. Andrew's drinking his coffee from literally like 12 this morning. So it's pretty disgusting. So we're vlogging.
Bro, I would never watch this.
What if I made a YouTube? Dude, it would be so bad. Like mine's bad, but yours would be bad. Hey guys, we're going to the pool. Guys, well, I'm already... Yeah. Basically we're in Vegas.
To see your face light up, ooh, she's a lightning mood.
We're at Lake Mead now, and we're just walking.
Back the ducks.
We're just walking on the pier, looking at the fish and the boats, and I don't know, it's just really pretty here. We came here last time we were in Vegas. Look at them all. Oh my god. Look at all of these ducks.
Look at that fish.
The big fishies.
I'm not careful, oh boy, one die, chasing out the sunrise from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my lifeline. Don't say you just fly right on and on and on. We gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on. We gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain?
We're at the what's this place? Hoover Dam.
Yeah, so ambivalent when it's time we shoot. It's so innocent. Through the sky on the back of a Bentley. Now we could go and mess with the lavender. Supernovas blow up, gotta get a hose up, even if I host up. Don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
Ryan, this is your time to shine. Jump.
I'm scared.
Hey bitches, so we're at the Grand Canyon. Here it is. Loki might fall in on purpose. Kidding. My mental state's fine.
Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fine. On and we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Faith in the sky. On and we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Saw her at the terminal with a sign close and personal. To see your face light up, ooh. She's like lightning mood. Structure, I'm not careful, oh boy, wind out. Chasing out the sunrise from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fine. On and we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
Hey guys, my camera's about to die, but we have our suits on. We're going to the pool. Today is our last day of activities. So, what day is it today? It's Ryan's birthday. We got Starbucks this morning, and we just got back, and it was really good and tasty.
I love it when you come around, but you're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings me down. But I love it when you come around. You're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings
I hope this shit's actually waterproof.
me down. You're the one that brings me down. Often mad that you often mad. Off with your friends and they always 10. Still I only had eyes for you, girl, it's true. But I deserve props where it's due, I'm just saying. And I met your pops and we cool, I'm just saying. I wish you passed the shit down to you, I'm just playing, girl. But why you got it drawn up Picasso? Your entrance always led to my outro. Oh, I could get any girl, farmer or city girl, in both like Costco. Oh, that's about 50 girls, but I digress.
So, we went to the pool and we were there pretty much all day. We got back and we just showered and I changed. I have a few outfits and like clothing items that I need to take pictures in for companies and post on Instagram. So we're gonna go do that right now. So I'm probably gonna change outfits like 3 times. Fine. I'm gonna dry my hair and I'm gonna finish my makeup. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, so right now we're at Topgolf. And I kind of forgot to vlog, but yeah, it's kind of cool in here. Hey guys, it's still my birthday. We're at Topgolf. Looks pretty good, guys.
You saying we be Bobby and Whitney, girl, and honesty is best. I made out with your best friend once. The way I be describing your ex-man. Dunce, you bad for me, girl. I mean, actually, girl, but if you spend the night, I'll probably take your ass to brunch. I love it when you come around, but you're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings me down. But I love it when you come around.
Shit, I shouldn't have to fuck for free. I'm trying to go to bed. I'm trying to get froyo on the flight back.
You're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings me down. You're the one that brings me down. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it.
So we're back at our hotel and it's been a little bit and we're just like packing up because we leave tomorrow morning. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say because like vacation's pretty much over and I'm kind of sad, but also I am super excited to get home to all my friends. Dude.
Yes.
Not Cheetos. Oh. Wait, why can't I like throw it? Stop! Sam told me how to salsa the other day, and then I forgot.
Damn, you're gonna break the shit out of that.
Fuck! I need
Alright, this is your last try.
No. I shot a little honey and I flipped up the shit. Stop it! Hate my life. You literally sound like you're having like a that. You gotta go, bro. I can't make it go.